The future of flight, exploring unmanned aerial vehicles, drones. Imagine a world where machines take to the skies without pilots, performing daring tasks and simplifying our lives. Welcome to the world of drones. Unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, are revolutionizing industries, transforming from niche tech to essential tools across sectors. Drones are essentially small aircraft controlled remotely or autonomously. Equipped with advanced technologies, they handle tasks ranging from capturing stunning visuals to delivering packages. Join us as we uncover how these fascinating machines work and their unlimited potential. The magic of drones lies in their innovative design and components. Modern UAVs feature propellers, lightweight frames, cameras, and sensors for stability and precision. At their core, they rely on GPS, gyroscopes, and intelligent software to navigate. Remote controls or pre-programmed systems guide drones, ensuring smooth operations. Cutting-edge advancements like AI are paving the way for completely autonomous UAVs, enabling them to perform increasingly complex missions with minimal human intervention. Drones are shaping industries in surprising ways. In agriculture, UAVs monitor crops and spray fertilizers efficiently. In disaster relief, they deliver medical supplies to inaccessible areas or search for survivors in dangerous environments. Their impact is undeniable. Entertainment and filmmaking have been transformed, with drones capturing breathtaking aerial shots. Meanwhile, industries like construction and delivery services rely on UAVs to enhance safety, reduce costs, and improve efficiency. The future possibilities are limitless. Despite their potential, UAVs face challenges such as regulation, privacy concerns, and limited flight times. Governments are establishing stricter rules to balance innovation and safety. Solving these barriers will unlock greater opportunities. Innovation is addressing issues like battery life and collision avoidance. From solar-powered drones to advanced AI controls, these developments are ensuring drones soar higher, fly longer, and work more efficiently across various tasks. The evolution of UAVs hints at a future where drones become a vital part of daily life. Imagine autonomous delivery drones bringing goods to your door or urban air taxis transforming transportation. We're just scratching the surface of their potential. As technology advances, drones' roles in preserving ecosystems, improving urban planning, and strengthening security will expand. The sky is truly the limit for unmanned aerial vehicles. The age of UAVs isn't coming, it's already here. Share this video to spark curiosity and dive deeper into the endless possibilities drones offer. Like, comment, and subscribe for more captivating content. Stay tuned as we continue exploring the innovations shaping tomorrow. Fly with us into the future of technology.